Hello students, welcome to Sufa English High School E-class. How are you today? I hope you are well at home. Student, in the previous lecture we have studied the simultaneous equation and the method of solving the simultaneous equation. Also we have studied the elimination method of solving the simultaneous equation, but we have studied the method of elimination by equating the coefficient. Student, today we are going to study the elimination method of solving the simultaneous equation, but we are doing elimination by substitution. So student, for solving the simultaneous equation by the method of elimination by substitution, we are considering the two equations. Consider the two equations. First one is 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and second equation is 3x plus y equal to 2. Let this equation be equation 1 and this equation is equation 2. Student, if you will observe equation 2, then the coefficient of y in this equation is 1. So we will take this equation and we will write the value of y in terms of x in this equation. That is why let us write the value of y in terms of x in equation 2. We are writing the value of y in terms of x in equation 2. So student, this equation will become y equal to 2 minus 3x. Student, so there is y will remain in the LHS and I will take this 3, this is positive 3x here and it will go in negative on the RHS. In RHS there is already 2, so it will become y equal to 2 minus 3x. Let this equation be equation number 3rd. Now student, what we have to do? Yes, we have to substitute this value of y in equation 1. Yes. Substitute y equal to 2 minus 3x in equation 1. So let's substitute and see, will you get the value of x or not? Yes, we will do this. Yes, the equation is 5x, equation 1 is 5x minus 3. Now the value of y is y equal to 2 minus 3x. So instead of y, we will write 2 minus 3x. So it will be y equal to 2 minus 3x. Here it is 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3, and instead of y, we are writing 2 minus 3x. Equal to 8 will be as it is. Now student, we will solve this equation. Yes, it will be 5x will be as it is, and this minus 3 to the minus 6. Now student, here minus 3 and minus 3, this is negative sign, this is negative sign. We know in multiplication this bracket is nothing but multiplication, and in multiplication negative will become positive. So it will be negative 3 multiplied by negative 3x, it will be positive 9x. Yes, and it will be equal to 8. Now observe this equation. What you will do next? Yes, you are getting the value of x, but for getting the value of x, these are the like terms, 5x and 9x. So you will use 5x and 9x, you will add up. So 5x plus 9x, it will be 14x. Like terms are added here, and this negative 6 will go to this side in RHS. So this negative 6 will go to RHS, it will become positive 6. So it will be 14x equal to, there is 8 in the RHS, so I will write 8, and this negative 6 will become positive 6. Yes, definitely. Now it is 14x equal to 8 plus 6, it will become 14. So x equal to 14 upon 14, x equal to 1. So you got the value of x here. Now you have to find the value of y. So for finding the value of y, put x equal to 1 in equation 3rd, because we are already having the value of y here. So substitute x equal to 1 in equation 3rd. So you are putting this value in 3rd equation. What you will get? Yes, y equal to 2 minus 3x. So I will write as it is first equation and then I will put the value. Yes, y equal to 2 minus 3x. Now y equal to 2 minus 3, and what is the value of x here? 1. That is why 3 multiplied by 1. So it will become y equal to 2 minus 3 and y equal to minus 1, negative 1. Yes, so you got the solution, you got the value of x and y. So I will write here the solutions of given equations are, you have to always write the solution in ordered pair. So the ordered pair of this solution is, first you will write the value of x and then value of y in the bracket. So the solutions of the given equation are 1 comma minus 1, x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. So student, this is we have solved this equation by the method of elimination by substitution. Yes, now we will continue the next problem, next question. So student, we will move towards the next question. The next question is 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. Student, what you have observed from this equation? Yes, the coefficient of x and y are interchanged. Means the coefficient of x in first equation is the coefficient of y in second equation and vice versa. So if this type of condition occurs in the simultaneous equation, then we have to make two simpler equation. And for making the two simple equations, we have to do the two operation on these equations. First we will add these two equation and then we will subtract these two equation. After addition we will get one simple equation, and after subtraction we will get one simple equation, and after that two equations we will find the value of x and y easily. Yes, so let's add these two equation. Add equation 1 and 2. If we will add this equation 1 and 2, then see what we will get. 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. Add them. So it will become 32x plus 32y equal to 32. The student, divide above equation by 32. Why I am dividing it by 32? Because 32 is common to every term. Yes, that is why I am dividing it by 32. Now it will become 32x divided by 32, it will become x, plus 32y divided by 32, it will become y, and 32 divided by 32, it will become 1. Let this equation be equation third. Yes, let this equation be equation third. Student, now we got this simple equation x plus y equal to 1. Now we need one more simple equation, and for that we will subtract both the equation. So subtract equation 2 from 1. Student, we will subtract equation 2 from 1. So it will be 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. This we have to subtract. Student, we know that this negative sign will apply to each term of the second equation, means this negative sign is common and this will be applied to each term of the second equation. So I will make this term negative, this term negative, and this term negative. If negative sign is there, then you have to make positive, because negative will become positive. This we have learned in the 9th standard. So student, now 21 minus 11, it will be 10. And 17 minus 15, it will be 2, and y will be as it is. And 15 minus 17, here the greater number has negative sign, that is why we will give negative here, and then we will subtract 17 minus 15, it will be 2. So negative 2x plus 2y equal to 10. This is our equation. Student, it is easy to divide this equation by 2. So after dividing this equation by 2, what we will get? See, divide above equation by 2. So negative 2x divided by 2, it will be negative x, plus 2y divided by 2, it will be plus y, and 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. So one more simple equation we got here, minus x plus y equal to 5. Let this equation be equation number 4. Now student, if you will observe both the equation, then you will get an idea that here it is positive x and here it is negative x. This positive x is cancelled with negative x when we will add both the equations. So after adding both the equation, positive x is cancelled with negative x, and then we will get the value of y. In this way, we are eliminating x from here in order to get the value of y. So add equation 3 and 4. We are adding equation 3 and 4. Let's add students. X plus y equal to 1 minus x plus y equal to 5. So after addition, this positive x negative x will be cancelled with each other, and this y plus y, it will be 2y equal to 1 plus 5, it will be 6. So student, what will be the value of y? Y equal to 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. So the value of y is 3. Now we have to find the value of x. For finding the value of x, the first equation is very convenient to put the value of y. So put y equal to 3 in equation 3. So what is the third equation? See, x plus y equal to 1. Now we will put the value of y here. So x plus, what is y? 3 equal to 1. X equal to 1 minus 3. X equal to minus 2. So student, greater number is negative here, 1 minus 3, that is why it will be subtraction and sign of negative number, x will be equal to negative 2. So we got the value of x negative 2 and value of y positive 3. So the solutions of given equation are, I will write the ordered pair here. Here x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. In ordered pair, I will write x first and then y. So the value of x is minus 2. That is why the solution are minus 2 comma 3. First I will write the value of x and then I will write the value of y. In this way, student, we can solve this type of equation. This type of equation, notice that if there is the coefficient of x and y are interchanging both the equation, then you have to perform two operations to make two simple equation. First you will add that and then you will subtract. After adding and subtracting, you will get the two simpler equation, and after solving that two simpler equation, you will get